Hey everyone, it's Heather here. This is just a quick video to show you how to upgrade your budget template to the latest version that includes the new rollovers features. So to get started, the first thing you should consider is whether or not you have AutoCAD installed. If you have AutoCAD installed, then just hang out for a couple seconds and we'll get to the steps there. If you don't have AutoCAD installed or you don't know what it is the auto categorization tool that we released as an add-on back in December of last year, and which has now been renamed Tiller. So this is the introduction of our Tiller add-on, which is encompassing the budgeting features that include rollovers as well as AutoCAD and some other Tiller tools coming down the road. So if you haven't installed AutoCAD and you need to get the Tiller add-on, you can use the URL that's down below in this help article, and then you'll just click free. It's going to open up a blank Google Sheet, and then you'll have a couple prompts that will come up asking you to give the add-on permission to work in your sheet. So you just click continue. Make sure you choose the account, the Gmail account that you use with Tiller. That's very important. And then you'll just allow it to run. And then if you had already had AutoCAD installed, this is the point at which you can resume listening. So if you go into your Tiller sheet now and refresh it if it was already open, or open it from your Tiller console, let it get loaded up, and then in the add-ons menu after a few seconds you'll see the Tiller add-on. If you already had AutoCAD installed, it will now be called Tiller instead of AutoCAD. And then you can see here that we have a few submenus. So to get the new budgeting features, you will choose budget and then you will choose start. And what this is going to do is it's going to update your category sheet. It's going to hide the existing budget dashboard that you see here. It's also going to add some sheets that help things run in the background. And if for some reason you don't like the new features, you can always roll back to a previous version using the version history in Google Sheets. So just keep that in mind, but essentially you will just click start and then it will start updating. So the Tiller update is starting. You can see some things are happening in the background, including in our category sheet, we're getting some new columns. It will let us know that the update has completed, so you now have the new capabilities that come along with the new budget template features. And then from here you can start to set up your budget. To create your first budget, you'll just choose the settings here. You can click here for help. It'll take you to the help article that explains more in depth about these settings if you need something other than just a monthly budget that starts on the first of the month. You'll click create budget, and then the little messages here will let you know that Tiller is beginning the budget creation. You'll see some things happening down here in the tabs in your sheet. And it will also let you know when it's done, so just hang out for a few seconds and let it get done doing its thing, and then you should see here that you have a new updated and improved budget dashboard. And so that's how you create your first budget. Once you've upgraded, you'll notice that you don't see your old budget dashboard anymore down here. It hides it for you, and then a lot of it is really similar to the previous dashboard in the sense of you're still going to navigate between periods up here at the top. You can see it creates one past period for you. If you've been archiving your budgets manually, we will have some steps available to show you how to kind of get that back history in there if that's important to you. But for now, it just starts you out with the current period. So whatever it is based on the date that you create this budget and the one prior period. So if you're doing monthly budgets, it would be like one prior month. If you're doing weekly budgets, it would be one prior week, so on and so forth. The other aspects to just take note of are a new column called rollover. This is where it can automatically track the unspent balance of your category funds, and the adjust column is new. It used to be called new plan. It's now called adjust, but this is still where you will type in your budget amounts for a category, and then there's some really cool dynamic shortcuts you can use here. You can see the information area has moved to the top as well, and it's a little bit different than it used to be. Those are the basics of creating your first budget. We have a lot more videos and content on the Help Center to help you get oriented to the new tool and all the new features and capabilities. So please take a look at those help articles and let me know if you have any questions or issues as you're creating your first budget when you're upgrading to the new version of this template. Thanks for watching. Happy tracking.